I've been talking for about 1 hour, but let me go through some more of these questions here. Let me see here. Let me see here. Ruki says, I want to take the Azure certification. Which Azure certification should I do first? The first one, if you don't know anything, is going to be the AWS CCP, or Cloud Certified Cloud Practitioner. If you don't know anything, if you're already like a cloud person, then it's a waste of your time. I took this certification. This is my first cloud certification, was AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner. For Azure, the first certification is going to be the AZ900. So AZ900, very similar to AWS CCP. AZ900 is the basic stuff. This is another one I took recently. That's the last certification I've taken, by the way. And it's pretty easy. I mean, it's just concepts. That's all it is memorization and concepts. And the features that they have, it's Microsoft's implementation of cloud and the fundamentals of cloud, as well as some of the products and services that Microsoft has. So that would be the first one you would want to take. But if you already know cloud, then you probably skip that one and go straight to. In fact, let me show you a breakdown that Microsoft has on their cloud certifications. They have like this really cool pathway, like a map that breaks it down on which ones you should take. And it's a really good way to visualize what Azure, hold on, 900 Azure certification paths. Yeah, okay, here, let me show you my screen real quick. Yeah, like this right here. And there you go. So you start off with this one right here. If you don't know anything whatsoever, like myself, I'm pretty green to cloud, so I took this one right here, Azure Fundamentals. And then there's other fundamental ones if you want to be a data, I believe DP is data scientist. So if you want to be a data scientist or a data analyst, you take that one. You wanted to go the AI path, you take this one. These are all basic fundamentals, right? Starts off with this one. Once you're done with these, now if you're already IT pro, you're already doing cloud, you don't need this. You probably just go straight to these ones. So once you're done with these, like myself, you can go to this next iteration. So the next one would be, you want to go the developer path, the engineering path, or the administrator path. And then for, let me see, AI fundamentals, Azure AI 900, you would go from here to Azure AI engineer, which I'm thinking this is my next step, but I haven't committed yet, but I'm thinking after this, I'm studying for this one right now. I'm thinking about going super hardcore into this, but it kind of depends on what happens with this job, to be honest with you, that I'm about to take this interview for. So anyway, yeah, the first one will be AZ900, and then there's other paths here. So I hope that helps you. My man, Professor Black Ops, told me that the one I want to take, the path I want to take to make that real money, I think is this one right here. Architect, or which one was it? He either told me this one. Yeah, I think it was Professor Black Ops has this one right here. No, not, he has AWS, my bad. So AWS has the same paths. AWS CC cloud paths. Let me show you that one real quick. I'm getting my certifications mixed up. They're very similar, but they definitely are different different paths here. So let me show you here. Yeah, so cloud practitioner for AWS. So this is the foundational, or just like fundamentals, equivalent of an Azure 900 or AZ 900. And then from there, you would take one of these, and I believe Professor Black Ops has this one right here, which is fire, and he has help me out here. It's not showing on the screen. I think he has this one up here. Yeah, this one right here. Solutions. That one right there. So yeah, that's the path you can take right there. Not a bad move. Larry says we patch and update our APIs for our tools and systems, I believe, monthly. Yeah. Yep. 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 Same here. Reading through comments here. What if I want to? What if I wanted to do a AI vulnerability management specifically for enterprise? Just a thought.